Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here. Welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. So today's interview question is, how does a stateful set differ from a replica set? I'll give few examples where you will use a stateful set and where you will use replica set. So as usual, I will discuss the concept first. After that, we'll see example so that your concept gets clear. And at the end, we'll have quiz. So stay till the end and participate in the quiz. Okay. So let's start. How does a stateful set differ from a replica set and give example where they're used. So replica set is for stateless application and it's fast interchangeable pod. Pod will come and go. Any pod can replace any other pod. That's a replica set. Stateless app. For stateful set or stateful apps needing persistent data and stable identity. For stable identity and persistent data, we need stateful set. So where they're used, replica set is used web server, where it's a stateless. It doesn't matter from where we like web server is serving some content to you. So any pod can come and go. So web server is one example where we can use replica set. Server serves static content or act as a reverse proxy. No need for data persistence between restructs. Front-end application like React, Angular, Vue served as a containerized environment. Pods are interchangeable. Any pods can come and go, interchangeable. API server, microservices, stateless services can be scaled horizontally without any issue. Load balance services, replica scripts ensures enough backend pods are available for load balance. So these are the cases where you can use replica set. Worker pods also you can use job like sending email notification, serving request where each instance gives the same. So there are some examples where you will be using replica sets. Web server, front-end application, API service, load balance, service work pod. And where you will be using stateful set database. Each pod needs its own volume to store data. MySQL, base SQL. So we'll be having this kind of pods, message queues, Kafka, RabbitMQ queue, distributed file system. Okay. So there are the scenarios, message queues, distributed file system database. You need to have a stateful set. So let's have a demo. So we'll be having stateful sets 3 Nginx web server. First, we'll look at the replica set. So this is the replica set example Nginx replica set. Kind is replica set. Nginx made the name Nginx replica set. Replicas three copies we are going to create. This Nginx container. Okay, port 80. So let's deploy this kubectl apply -f Nginx replica set. Okay, got created. Now kubectl get pod. So you can see that three pods are running here, and they have some random name, right? TW something, WZ, Nginx replica set hyphen something. And if I kill this replica set, some other random name will come up. Here it's a TW. Let's kill this. If we kill this guy, then some other random pod will come. TWL deleted. TWL deleted. Here some other random thing came. C9 was there earlier. Sorry, CFWZ was there. CFWZ was there. C9 is the new one. Instead of TW, C9B2 became. So random name, right? So we don't need to maintain that state kind of thing. Any random pod will come and go. So can do the job. So now we'll just terminate all of them. Cube still delete -f replicas. Delete them. Okay. Now we'll look at the example of stateful set. So kind is stateful set. Metadata Nginx, service name Nginx. 3 copies we are going to create. And here we are going to run some init container because we need some, we'll be attaching, here we want a database. Here what we'll do, we'll attach will be having some persistent storage, some volume. So this is the mount path, and here some init container will be running, which will be uh, initializing the HTML file. That this is pod nginx1, nginx2, nginx3 like that. Okay. So let's apply this. Apply minus f. F. Helpful. QCTL get pods. Okay. Okay. Pod 012. It's 012. They started 01 running and 2 is getting initializing. So now three pods are running and they have some specific name here, right? Nginx 0, 1, 2. And if I see that it's an ordered one, Nginx uh, stateful set. Nginx stateful set. Stateful set Nginx. So now the name is not random. It's an ordered set. It's an ordered set, and it has attached each pod has an attached volume, attached space, memory location, where init container is writing something into it, some data. So let's see this. Let's test it out. So I will forward this so that I can access this one. Kubernetes port forward. I'm forwarding in the next 0 port. I'm going to create lesson. Binary address already in use. Okay, I think I have already running it somewhere. Okay, I have to tell this one. Yeah. And then run this one. And here you can get nginx 0. Okay. Get pods. Now if I kill this, kubectl delete pod nginx 0 got deleted. See, 0 again started. Again initial 0. And after some point of time, again, if I try that out, okay, and then it's 0. Now, again, if I try this localhost, I need to do port forwarding again. Yes, that is working. So, this pod is linked to this persistent storage. So, here we set up a stateful set of 3 Nginx web servers. Each pod will have its own identity, Nginx 0, Nginx 1, and Nginx 2, and have its own disk, like its own hard drive, right? And there we have custom web page. There we are putting a custom web page. That is, this is pod nginx 0, pod nginx 1, like that. Here, nginx stateful, we are putting custom web page. Init HTML, init containers, init HTML. Init containers we have discussed in previous interview question. So this is where we are putting custom HTML in the storage. Okay. And each one tells you who it is. Even if the pod crashes and restarts, it remembers who it is and what page it showed. So it remembers that who it is and what page it showed, because the disk is attached permanently. Okay. So why not use replica set here? Because if you need a replica set, all pods will be named randomly. That we have seen random name. They wouldn't keep their own memory, and they wouldn't know which pod is which. They are all closed, right? All of them are closed. They won't give you a page like Nginx 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay. Even you can see that here there are 3 PVCs, kubectl get PVCs. Yes. Nginx 0, Nginx 1, Nginx 2. Okay. So this is the difference between replica set and stateful set. Now let's go to the today's question. What is the key difference between a stateful set and replica set? Stateful set gives each pod a unique identity. Replica supports stable storage. Stateful set is used for stateless app. Replica set guarantees pod order. So correct answer is A. Stateful set gives each pod a unique identity. Okay. So hope you like this video. Please like and share it, and uh, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on my LinkedIn DevOps Challenger page. I post quiz daily. You can participate in the contest, and also follow my WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.